perhaps you could commence then.
That's correct. Your Worship, I did hand up in chambers a copy of our application in terms of section 6011 bracket A of the Criminal Procedure Act 51 of 1977. If I may, Your Worship, can I just go to the affidavit before I go to the notice of motion?
Yes, sir.
That's God possession. Your Worship, also with your permission, if I may be permitted to leave out some of the personnel details, but obviously they are as reflected in the affidavit.
Yes, sir.
As a court pleases. It reads as follows. I, the undersigned Duduzile Sambudla-Zuma, do hereby make oath and state that I'm an adult female born on the dates that are outlined there. I'm the applicant in this application for bail pending my trial. First, within my personal knowledge, unless stated otherwise, and that the best of my belief is true and correct. And I make submissions of law and just on the advice of my legal representatives, whose advice I accept. And the content is as follows, Worship. For the convenience of the court, put it under separate headings to deal with some of the requirements of the law. I'll start at paragraph 4 then. I have been charged with incitement to commit the offense of terrorism and incitement to commit the offense of public violence, the exact details of which are unknown to me, but I understand these charges and the seriousness of the same, and I intend to plead not guilty thereto. That is when the trial starts. 5. Although I have not yet sight of the complaint or the summary of facts, I'm aware of the long-standing rumors and innuendos about the messages which I sent from my social media accounts, mainly on the Twitter platform, in connection with the general uprising which had already erupted in KwaZulu-Natal, in the KwaZulu-Natal and Gauteng provinces, in reaction to my father's imprisonment in July 2021. Although I do not deny having sent some messages which have been misconstrued, I am of the strong opinion that no court can find that the violence in question occurred as a result or in connection with any incitement or any conduct on my part. The two things are utterly unconnected, causally or otherwise, in any sense envisaged in our criminal law. My conduct was only informed by my particular sense of outrage at the injustice meted out on my own father. This went much further than the objections of his political supporters and millions of other peace and justice-loving South Africans who, like me, did not participate in any acts of public violence, either directly or indirectly. I also hold the strong view that the charges are malicious and politically motivated. They are aimed at settling political scores with my father by the current regime. Evidence in this regard will be led during the trial. Suffice at this stage that I am confident that a case of malicious prosecution will be well and easily established against the National Prosecuting Authority at the appropriate stage. I have instructed my legal representatives to pursue